Welcome back guys. So in this video I'll be testing EmuPs3 PlayStation 3 Android emulator project. As you can see from its Play Store page, it is in early access. Let me just show you its description. If you read its description, here it is mentioned, dump your own real Switch games and turn them into .iso files. Put on your SD card USB storage. This is funny. Switch games have nothing to do with PlayStation 3. And if you scroll down to the end, this emulator was last updated on 11th May 2019, so it has been abandoned now. People who have knowledge of the architecture of PlayStation 3 cell processor know how difficult it is to emulate it on ARM-based mobile processors. I tried warning people about Artemis emulator 2 weeks ago, but even after that a lot of people are still supporting it. Its YouTube channel is growing quickly. It already has a lot of demanding 3D games up and running on it, which only makes it more suspicious. It just shows how easy it is to misguide the people on internet nowadays. So let's start this fake emulator. So this is the interface of it, PS3 project. Immediately you can see ads are being shown. So the first step is to select the ISO game. Now guys, it does not matter which file you select, it will show you the same error. I tried selecting my PS3 ISO file, it showed me an error. Then I tried selecting any other random file, it showed me the same error. So let me just show you this. Select ISO file. Immediately it will show you an ad. You can see here, this is the main purpose of it after all. Close that. So now you can select the file you want. It really does not matter. Once you have selected your file, it will ask you to select the BIOS. If you don't have the BIOS, you can download it from here. Now here's the thing guys, the BIOS file that they provide is absolutely fake. Let me just show you this. As you can see, they have provided multiple bin files and named them as PS3 BIOS files. All of them are completely fake. I will just show you this. For showing you the next steps, I have already downloaded the first PS3 BIOS file. The moment you tap on any of these bin files to download, you will be bombarded by ads. I just scanned the PS3 BIOS file on VirusTotal, and let me just show you this information. Details. Scroll down. You can see that this same file has 3 names in the record of VirusTotal: PS3 BIOS version 2 file, Switch BIOS, and then PS Vita BIOS. So this just shows that this file is completely fake. The real PlayStation 3 BIOS file can be downloaded from Sony's website. I have downloaded it. The extension of this file is PUP, not bin. So now let me show you what happens when you select the BIOS file. An ad will pop up. As you can see, let me just skip this ad. So here's the funny part guys, I can't even select the BIOS file using the emulator. Now when you go back to emulator's interface, next step will be shown. As you can see, please select an older BIOS version. They want you to download and try out all of the different BIOS files that have been provided on this website. That's the idea behind this emulator. Now let me just perform the step 3. Please select an older BIOS version. Another ad popped up. Let me just close it. It's a fake step, you don't need to select anything. Let me just go back to the interface. Step 4 will pop up. Okay, now select ISO game another time. This will start another ad, as you can see. So this is how they are running the scam, ad scam. Go back again. Step 5, ISO is corrupted. Try another one. And you must have noticed I did not even select any ISO file. So I'll perform the step 5. Another ad will pop up. Go back. Step 6. Okay, now select ISO game another time. Go back. Back to step 4. This BIOS can't launch this game. Try another BIOS, and this cycle repeats again and again. It is highly likely that the upcoming Artemis PS3 Android emulator will end up like this. So be cautious. I'll end the video here guys. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.